Meaning of geometric.
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 Geometric. The term geometric refers to the branch of mathematics that deals with the study of shapes, sizes, and positions of figures in space. It involves the use of mathematical formulas and principles to analyze and understand geometric objects, such as points, lines, angles, and planes. Geometric concepts form the basic building blocks of many fields, including art, design, engineering, and architecture. By understanding geometric principles, we can shape the world around us in a precise and systematic way. In summary, geometric relates to the study and application of mathematical principles to understand and manipulate shapes and spaces.